I'm gonna get a haircut. So Carnival Cruises gave me a gift card for my birthday, so I'm gonna get a haircut. This is my haircut. Thanks, Alfred. We're now in Ensenada, and when you come into port, this is the first thing that you'll see. Basically, it's a whole bunch of shops. We don't know what to do or how we're getting around, so we're just kind of wandering. My parents just got a taxi.
The La Bufadora is $50 round trip.
50?
50, and it will take us to the for the tour on the thing is $30 per person, so it's much cheaper. We thought Mexican Appa. she thought Appa was wiping the taxi cab.
That's too funny. We're at La Bufadora. Actually, I don't even know if I said that right. We're at a blowhole, and my dad is disappointed at how it actually turned out.
I thought it was a geyser. I see.
He thought it was going to be a geyser. It's not a geyser.
This is not really geyser, you know. The water, the wavy thing, comes through a small, narrow valley, and then it hits the wall here.
Here's my sister.
I'm his sister.
This is my dad trying to make a panoramic photos.
Okay. Say when. Tell me when to go.
So you're gonna come and grab this?
Yes, and then you're gonna jump in next to
Okay.
Tiffany.
Here we go.
You're going too fast.
Jump in.
우리 잘못 들은 것 같아.
I think you win. We should be okay. Let's see.